Welcome to Bestsellers Market, the ultimate destination for discovering top-rated products and best-selling items. Today, we're diving into the world of paper and paper crafts, bringing you the most popular and highly rated products available on Amazon. These items have earned their place through exceptional quality, outstanding reviews, and unbeatable popularity among crafters and enthusiasts alike. So without further ado, let's get started with our exciting countdown of the best-selling paper and paper crafts products on Amazon. Stay tuned as we unveil each item, showcasing what makes them stand out and why they have captured the hearts of so many customers. Let's dive right in and explore the finest that the world of paper and paper crafts has to offer. Ranking number 5 in our list of best-selling paper and paper crafts on Amazon, we present the Neenah Premium Cardstock, an absolute must-have for crafters and creators alike. Imagine the pristine, radiant brightness, a dazzling 96 brightness rating, perfect for making your projects pop with pure, vivid white. This cardstock is a harmonious blend of substance and flexibility, boasting a weight of 65 pounds or 176 GSM, ideal for everything from invitations to impressive presentations. But what truly sets this cardstock apart? It's the versatile compatibility. Whether you're using an inkjet printer, a laser printer, or even a copier, the Neenah Premium Cardstock stands ready to deliver crisp, clear results every single time. No more worrying about smudges or smears, just flawless printing that meets your exacting standards. Moreover, it's not just about appearance. This cardstock is built to last. Acid and lignin-free, it ensures your masterpieces remain vibrant and intact over time. No yellowing, no fading, just enduring quality that preserves your hard work and creativity. So, if you're looking to elevate your projects with professional-grade cardstock, Neenah Premium Cardstock is your go-to choice. With 250 sheets of premium quality, you'll have ample supply to bring your most ambitious ideas to life. Landing at number 4 in our countdown of best-selling paper and paper crafts on Amazon is the versatile all-purpose brown wrapping paper by Van Hensch. Imagine unrolling a generous 17.5 inches by 100 feet of premium, non-coated, classic brown craft paper. It's the kind of paper that feels as good as it looks, crafted from 100% recycled materials sourced from the pristine forests of Canada. The thickness? A robust 120 microns, offering a substantial feel at 65 GSM, ensuring it's both flexible and soft, yet incredibly sturdy. This is no ordinary paper. It's industrial-grade, heavy-duty wrapping paper. Tear-resistant, durable, and reliable, Van Hensch has engineered this paper to withstand the rigors of shipping, packing, and moving. Need protection for your parcels? This craft paper roll is your go-to. A far superior alternative to newsprint paper sheets and construction paper for your arts and crafts needs. Unleash your creativity with this unwaxed, uncoated marvel. From acrylics and oils to chalk, crayons, and markers, this paper is a canvas for your imagination. It's perfect for flower wrapping, gift wrapping, protecting floors, and even Halloween decorations. You can cut it down to any size or shape, making it incredibly versatile for a wide array of uses, from poster projects to origami, and everything in between. Think about it. Wrapping Christmas gifts, birthday presents, Mother's Day tokens, or Valentine's Day surprises, all with this classic brown paper. It's the perfect blend of functionality and elegance, suitable for home, school, and office supplies. Whether you're wrapping a wedding gift or creating a bulletin board masterpiece, this paper adds a touch of rustic charm and sophistication. Van Hensch stands out as a professional wrapping paper manufacturer, delivering not just a product, but an experience. Their comprehensive approach, from research and design to manufacturing and testing, all the way to after-sales service, ensures that every roll of wrapping paper meets the highest standards. Every wrap tells a story of elegance, style, and care. Securing the bronze spot in our countdown of Amazon's best-selling paper and paper crafts is a timeless classic, Crayola construction paper, a must-have for every budding artist and creative classroom. Picture this, a whopping 480 sheets of vibrant, heavy-duty construction paper, meticulously bound in 2 convenient packs. Each pack contains 48 pages in 10 unique colors, ready to bring your artistic visions to life. Teachers, students, parents, listen up. This bulk set is ideal for school projects and classroom crafts. Think of it as an essential tool in your educational arsenal. The colors? Oh, they're not just any colors. We're talking Crayola colors: pink, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, black, and white. Each shade is rich, bold, and true, inspiring creativity with every stroke. But let's talk about the paper itself. Sturdy, yet malleable. Thick enough to withstand the rigors of cutting, folding, and gluing, yet flexible enough to be shaped into your wildest creations. Whether it's a diorama for a school project, a handmade card, or an intricate origami piece, this construction paper stands up to the challenge. At 12 inches by 9 inches, each sheet is perfectly sized for a myriad of projects, ensuring you have the space you need without waste. And because they're bound into a pad, you can easily flip through and tear out exactly what you need, keeping your creative process smooth and uninterrupted. Crayola construction paper isn't just a purchase, it's a gift. A gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a crafty treasure trove that opens up a world of imagination and fun for kids of all ages. So why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? Add Crayola construction paper to your collection and watch the magic unfold. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling paper and paper crafts on Amazon? Well, don't be a hole punch short of a full stack. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss a sheet of our top picks. Taking the silver spot in our countdown of Amazon's best-selling paper and paper crafts is a true powerhouse of precision and durability, the Bostitch Office Premium 3-hole punch. This isn't just any hole punch, it's the epitome of craftsmanship and functionality, designed to cater to your organizational needs with finesse. Imagine effortlessly punching through up to 12 sheets of paper at once. Yes, you heard that right. 12 sheets in one smooth motion, thanks to its robust all-metal design. This is a tool built to last, promising durability and resilience, punch after punch, project after project. But let's delve deeper into what makes this 3-hole punch a standout. Stability is key, and with its rubber base pad, you get just that. No more slipping or sliding around. This punch stays firmly in place, allowing you to focus on the task at hand without any unwanted movement. And the convenience doesn't stop there. The Bostitch Office Premium 3-hole punch features an easy-to-clean chip tray. Gone are the days of messy cleanups. Just empty the tray, and you're back in action, keeping your workspace neat and tidy. Every detail of this hole punch speaks to precision and efficiency. Whether you're organizing documents for school, setting up reports for work, or preparing materials for a presentation, this tool delivers flawless, evenly spaced holes every time. So if you're looking to bring a touch of professional-grade quality to your desk, the Bostitch Office Premium 3-hole punch is your go-to choice. It's not just a hole punch, it's a testament to what happens when superior design meets practical functionality. Elevate your organizational game and let your productivity soar with this essential office tool. And here we are, unveiling the pinnacle of our countdown, the #1 best-selling paper and paper crafts product on Amazon. Allow me to introduce the Astrobrights Neenah Bright White Cardstock, a true marvel of paper craftsmanship. This is not just cardstock, it's a canvas for your most ambitious projects, a foundation for your creativity. Imagine the unparalleled smoothness of each sheet, meticulously crafted to deliver superior printing results. Whether you're using an inkjet printer, laser printer, copier, or even an offset press, this cardstock stands ready to meet the challenge. Every print, every color, every detail, rendered with exceptional clarity and precision. The specifications? Remarkable. Measuring 8.5 by 11 inches, this cardstock boasts a weight of 65 pounds, or 176 grams per square meter. It's the perfect blend of heft and flexibility, providing a substantial feel while remaining easy to work with. From professional presentations to exquisite invitations, This cardstock elevates every project to new heights. Quality matters, and this cardstock excels. It's acid and lignin-free, ensuring your creations won't deteriorate over time. No yellowing, no fading, just enduring brilliance that preserves the integrity of your work. With 75 sheets in each pack, you have ample supply to bring your visions to life, one flawless sheet at a time. Think about it. Each project you undertake, whether it's for business, personal use, or artistic expression, deserves the best foundation. The Astrobrights Neenah Bright White Cardstock is more than just paper. It's a commitment to excellence, a promise of quality that stands the test of time. So, if you're looking to make a statement with your prints, to impress with your professionalism, or simply to create something beautiful, this cardstock is your ultimate ally. Experience the best, embrace the extraordinary, and let your creativity shine with the Astrobrights Neenah Bright White Cardstock. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling paper and paper crafts on Amazon. To keep up with all the top sellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.